Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic air fryers on the market, the Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer. This isn't just another air fryer, it's a complete redesign of how fast, smart, and precise cooking can be. First thing you'll notice is the unique dome design combined with a large flat cooking surface. Unlike traditional basket-style air fryers, this one lets you cook foods like a full 12-inch pizza or large steaks without stacking or overcrowding. That means better airflow, more even cooking, and restaurant-level results right at home. Now let's talk about its standout feature: AI-powered smart cooking. The Typhur Dome 2 uses intelligent sensors to monitor your food in real time, automatically adjusting temperature and cooking time. This reduces guesswork and helps prevent overcooking or undercooking, making it perfect even if you're not an expert in the kitchen. Another major upgrade is the dual heating system, top and bottom heating elements. This ensures your food is cooked evenly on both sides without needing constant flipping. So whether you're cooking crispy fries, juicy chicken, or a perfectly baked pizza, you get consistent results every time. One feature that really stands out is self-cleaning. Yes, you heard that right. This air fryer includes a self-cleaning function that saves time and effort, making post-cooking cleanup incredibly easy. Combine that with its PFAS-free ceramic basket, and you're getting a healthier and safer cooking surface as well. It's also whisper quiet compared to traditional air fryers, which is a huge plus if you don't like loud kitchen appliances. The digital interface is sleek, modern, and easy to navigate, giving you full control with minimal effort. If you're looking for something powerful, smart, and designed for modern cooking needs, the Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer is on another level. Check the link in the description to grab yours now, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more next-level product reviews.